Well, hello everyone. I hope that your day is going absolutely amazing whenever this video finds you. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Alyssa. It is so incredibly nice to meet you. I hope that you'll consider subscribing and hanging out with us. And if you are not new here, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to today's video. I am doing a May lineup. Again, I wanted to give credit where credit is due before we continue. This is not something that I have come up with. This is probably one of the more requested videos that I get in my IM box quite frequently, is if I will do like a May lineup. I have been saying I've been wanting to do it, but I don't know, I'm always changing my mind and always changing kits and what I'm doing. So I want to preface this with a whole, I'm sorry if my lineup changes because it can and it will. However, I love these kits that you're about to see, and I actually really like this lineup, so it may not for the month of May. I did want to give credit to Gabrielle Plans and Planner Taco. I know I was a little bit educated on this, which is really handy, that they are kind of the original. Gabrielle Plans is like the original with this, and then Planner Taco is one of the first ones as well. You can also find some other planner YouTubers like Shantae Plans, and who else does it? I know, oh, there's so many. I'm going to list them all down below. I had kind of a list going, and then I put it on my kitchen table and I left it there. So I am going to put a list of the wonderful planner YouTubers who also do this, if this is the kind of video that you love, and give them a check out and subscribe and follow them as well, of course. I did want to say thank you so much. We just hit 800 subscribers, and I wanted to thank you guys for hanging in there, and especially over like my little small hiatus. It wasn't a hiatus that I had planned for. It was one that was kind of forced upon me. I was finishing up finals. I was finishing up assignments, and then we also had family from England coming. I was doing final details on my wedding, and it was just a lot at once. And as much as I wanted to plan and I wanted to film, it just didn't allow for me to do that. My mental health was kind of on the brink for a while. It was just a lot at once. So I had to take a little tiny break, but you guys still continue to subscribe and still continued to be here and comment and message me and wish me well. So thank you for hanging out. I am glad to be back. If you are new here, because we do have quite a few of you who are new, I say, well, welcome, of course. Welcome. I'm Alyssa. If you don't follow me and you haven't seen my last video, I am officially married. There is a second ring on there. I am married. We have been married for about 3 weeks. It'll be 3 weeks tomorrow. 3 weeks tomorrow? 4 weeks tomorrow? What's the date? Yeah, 3 weeks tomorrow. I don't know, not much has changed because we've been living together for quite a while. But yeah, now we're kind of in that next step planning phase, so to speak. So, so that is kind of my little update. If you want to follow more, or you want to follow me in my everyday, make sure to check me out on my Instagram. So I'm going to pop into my May lineup. Again, this might change, but here it is. Let's see. So I have a gorgeous kit from Miss and Meow. It kind of pulls in that beautiful kind of springy, not rainy weather, but it has like wellies in it. And this is Lilac Fields. I have been feeling the color purple, as you can see, quite a bit. Pastels I know are pretty in a lot of like hot colors, like hot pink and stuff. So yeah, I went like super summery. So yeah, so this is my first week of May. It is incredibly gorgeous. I've held on to this. I got this, I think I hauled it in my last video. And with the silver, I don't have a lot of silver foil, but I'm actually glad that I picked some up lately. Look how beautiful that is. I really love this detailing here. Regina's incredible at doing really small details. So I know she likes to pull from a whole bunch of different clip art pieces or floral arts. And I love how she always pulls them together and incorporates everything. And it looks so pretty. She's just such a good eye for detail. So this is Lilac Fields. This is the washi page. And this is the week before my birthday. So sometimes, depending on the year, I will do birthday week kits. So I'll have a couple of birthday kits. I'm only doing one birthday kit because I really want to pull in a lot of florals. I just really go I don't know, very springy for the month of May. We have our scallop circles and our boxes, a natty hair. Her hair right now is getting absolutely everywhere. So pretty. I actually have another kit from her that I'm gonna like haul in the next video. And then here is the headers. Look how beautiful that is. This detailing down here is so fun. And then all of her like new icons. I got a couple. I think I'm gonna order some more when she releases next, because I actually want to pull and grab the June, July, and August kits for my monthly. So that is my first week of May. And then for florals, I actually grabbed transparent florals. I wanted that illusion of like kind of like background florals for this, kind of like a field. So I went with kind of this like translucent. I love it. So pretty. So this is the first week of May. So cute. Okay. And I will let you know if I have any codes. I don't think I've got a lot of codes for actually the ones that I pulled. So I have for my birthday week, so this is the week of May 11th, I have a Harriet Wright Designs. It is Celebrate. It is her birthday kit. I did pick this up while I was PRing for her. I don't believe she's got a PR team currently, but she was so fun to PR for. And this is in a beautiful gold foil, and I love how hefty her paper is. Look at that really cute washi. Super floral. I love how this turned out. Such a gorgeous kit. She always has such fun kits, and they're so pretty. And then we have the headers, some more boxes, icons, and little tiny shapes. They're really pretty polka dotted foil. And then for boxes, we have these fun layering boxes up here. They're so cute. And then you have like the quarter boxes and then the swatches down here. I love this kit. I'm actually really excited. So I did just celebrate my birthday. I turned 35. It was definitely a week of different celebrations. Nathan and I made some really important decisions. It was definitely a week, so I'm excited to plan this week. But yeah, this is my birthday week again, week 2, Harriet Wright Designs. And then for the third week, the week after, so this is gonna be the week of the 19th. This is actually my mom's birthday week. I didn't go to birthday for her. Actually didn't grab a lot of birthday kits, but I know she loves neutrals. And we have this is this current week actually. We have a spa day that is planned. So this is kind of like coffee themed, really chill, super warm. I thought it'd be really pretty for her birthday week. So this is Amelia by Sadies Stickers. Sadies Stickers does have a really great team. She does have an awesome PR team. This is Amelia in rose gold. And here it says, "Let your light shine," which is so cute. And my mom's always had this quote for me. She had it on the back of my wall in my bedroom. She had it on anything she engraved, and it was "Reach for the Stars." And it is, for some reason, that kind of like, I guess it's because it's a small little quote, it kind of reminded me of that. So I really, really, really love this little cat. So cute. These colors are beautiful. They're warm. The florals are gorgeous. I love this kit. I was so excited when she released it. I haven't ordered anything from her recently, but I know I've got stuff in my cart. So that is definitely a coming. And then we have our half boxes and quarter boxes. So cute. And then our little square boxes here. Really pretty little details. Her kits are always so pretty. And then we have our polka dots and some of our headers, our sidebar goodies. And then we have all the little layering, and then of course some check boxes. Now I'm looking at check boxes. I find I don't use them a whole ton, and if I do, I kind of make my own with florals. Let me know if you are like really big into check boxes, if this is something that you find you utilize a lot, or if it's something that you're just kind of like, yeah, you know what, I don't really normally use them. I've just been making my own when I had to, so I don't know. I never thought I'd see the day where like check boxes aren't as utilized as they used to be. How cute. This is a beautiful washi. Alicia does such a great job with her kits. They're always so pretty. I love this. And then of course I picked up the florals to go with. Look how pretty these are. And I picked up two. Probably should have grabbed a third, but I have been chopping mine quite a bit. Again, I take no credit for that. For chopping your florals and layering them like that, that is something that I remember Rachel from Gathered Plans did a lot. I know Lauren does it, Plemish Plans, and Shantae does it as well. And it allows you to kind of get the most out of your florals. So these are so cute. I love this. I know she's changed her, I think, floral sheets. I can't remember. I think she did it recently. I think I talked about it in my last video. I have to check. But yeah, so that is my third week of May, the week of the 19th. And then we have the fourth week of May. I actually just popped in an order to Giving Girl this morning. It's so cute. It's Skyline. So again, if you watched my last video, you would have seen that I hauled Skyline. I didn't realize that I hadn't grabbed the florals for it. So I'd ordered those florals with this order. So hopefully they come quite quick. If not, it's okay. I'll just kind of hold back this video to plan with. But look how gorgeous this is. I wanted something that was gonna tie in summer, but also spring. So she's got like a longer dress on by the water, a little bit more cooler feeling, more cooler colors, pulled in that warmth of that rose gold. It says picnics in good company, which is so cute. I love this here. I actually want to get a purse like that. I used to have one. I think I donated it during my move, and I definitely regret it. But yeah, so it's kind of got that like really nice end of May, not too like warm tone, like it's super summery, but it's a really nice transition where it pulls in the summer elements, but it also brings in that spring. So I love this kit. So again, this is called Skyline. It is one of her newer kits. And then here is the washi for it. Look how beautiful that is. The date covers, and then some check boxes. And I believe this is a bit of a kit revamp too. Oh my God. I love this. I am like obsessed with this stamp, honest to the heavens. This is so beautiful. Jennifer did such an incredible job. I love this kit. So I do have florals coming. I don't have them here quite yet. I did just order them. Look how beautiful that is. Then we have our little bottoms, our layering bit, how cute. And then our boxes. Look how pretty that is. And her detailing is always like exquisite. It's beautiful, it's so well thought out. And each kit is always different. I know sometimes a lot of shops will use the same layout of kit, which always, it's what works for them. It's incredible. But with Jennifer, she always kind of changes things up, which I really like. I love this kit. It is so beautiful. And then of course, the floral box samplers. Such a beautiful. And then of course with other flowers, which is really nice because I can use this with a couple of other kits that I actually have that are rose gold. So pretty. All right, so when the florals come in for this, I am going to be very excited. Planning with this, I will do a video with all of these. I am jumping back into my videos, or my Plan With Me videos today. I'm going to be doing my wedding one. It's going to be my wedding that I plan today and tomorrow and edit and hopefully have up next week. And then I'm also going to be doing, I'm going to start with May. So you'll see the Miss and Meow one will probably be the next one you see. That we can kind of start closer to where I am in time. All right, and the final, why do I have this pulled? I have this pulled. I think it's for something else. I'm gonna pop this over here. The final one, so this is kind of like the last week of May that transitions into June. This is Floral Fairy Tale by the Pretty PinkCo in gold. So I have all three metals represented in May, which is really fun. So I have so many butterfly embellishments that I've got from a ton of different shops. I'm excited for those. I actually just got in a gorgeous order from My Spoiled Planner. But look how pretty this is. It's florally, it's a little bit more summery. Again, brings in kind of like that end of summer cooler weather feel, but it definitely feels a lot more summery. So here it says, let us live like flowers, wild and beautiful and drenched in sun. And that is like, these little falling leaves are cute. So pretty. I love this. I think I hauled this one. I can't remember. I don't remember hauling it. I think I got a couple of orders in between. I'm setting them aside and trying to like rework things, and I just ended up putting them away because I didn't want them to get ruined or lost. And I think this is one of them. So we're looking at it now. Look how beautiful this is. Ugh, I can't. Oh, how pretty is this washi? I'm excited for these. I'm just gonna have like just butterflies everywhere. Gorgeous. And then I also picked up some of her samplers. So I've got this sheet, which is really beautiful with the layering bits, and then her florals as well. I think I have another order from her on its way. So pretty. So that is, again, my final week of May leading into June. And that is Floral Fairy Tale from Pretty PinkCo. I actually have a code for you for a couple of these shops. My code for Pretty PinkCo is Alyssa15 for 15% off your entire order, plus you're gonna get my freebie. And then also for Giving Girl, it is Alyssa10 for 10% off your entire order, plus you're gonna get my freebie. And if you love Natty as much as I do, there's a little hint of Natty on there. And I'm so excited I got to see the freebie. It is incredibly stunning. So when I get my order from her, I believe that the freebie is in there. I will show you what that looks like in person. I'm so excited for you to see it. So, and then I also have an affiliate code for Miss and Meow. You can check down in my description down below. I'll have an affiliate code or a link for you there, and I believe you get $5 off, something like that. So make sure you check that out, and then check out all of these shops. Again, it is Sadies Stickers, Harriet Wright Designs, Miss and Meow, The Giving Girl, and the Pretty PinkCo, and that is my month of May, and I'm so excited. So I'm gonna get a plan in. I'm also gonna do a haul, and we're kind of back at it, and it's nice to be back. I will see you guys soon. Have an amazing day. Bye.